Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
A very
morning,
good morning to
ma'am.
all of you. So, children, as you know that we have already started chapter number 13. Daksh, sit down, please. What is the name of this chapter? Ways to multiply and divide. So, what are we going to learn in this chapter?
Multiplication and
Different ways, different methods of multiplication and division. So, in the last class, we have already started two different methods. One is the column method, money Mani Ratnam method, and the Belas method. Two methods we have done. These are not the name with the specific name, but right
Yes,
now there are two
ma'am.
different. Uh, so our traditional method of multiplication, the way we do multiplication, here in your textbook they have given the Belas method of multiplication. Karnav, I don't want that you talk now. Sit at your place properly now. So the two different methods, one is Mani Ratnam method, that is column method of multiplication, and one is Bela's method, that is the long method of multiplication, the traditional method of multiplication. So any confusion in these two different methods? Any confusion in column method and the Bela's method?
ma'am.
No. So before moving ahead to Santaram, a special cook, and all this about, I want to give you one worksheet. I will display here on the screen. You need to solve this in your notebook. Okay, this worksheet I will not send in the classroom because this is your classwork. Yes, please stable yourself, please, my dear. This worksheet I will not send in the classroom. This is your classwork which you need to complete it in your class only. So I'm going to display it here. Be ready with your maths notebook. Solve these all the sums. Write today's date. Write the topic multiplication. I'm going to show you this. These are the some mental maths multiplication questions. When it is written, is this visible to everyone? The online and the
Yes, ma'am.
offline students? Okay. In this, no need to do it with the long method. There is an easy method, students, which, wait a minute. Yes, I know you. Everyone knows because it's just a revision of the previous class. Wait a minute. Online students, wait. Let me explain to the offline students. Then I will come to you all. See here. In this, you no need to write in the proper multiplication way. Directly you can do when the numbers are having zero either in the multiplicand or the multiplier. What you need to do is you need to multiply number with the number. 6 fours are 24 and 600 is having two zeros. You need to add two zeros. So it is 2400. Same way if the zeros are both the sides. Can anyone give me the example when the zeros are both the sides? Suppose 400 multiplied by 600. So what you will do? 6 fours are 24, two zeros of 400 and two zeros of 600. Isn't it an easy method? Yes or no? Yes. So we put the comma. It will be 2,40,000. Start solving this. Till here, 5B. Till here, start solving this in your notebook. Till
Ma'am.
5B. Yes. I told you in the beginning only to take out the notebook and start solving in the notebook.
Ma'am,
Huh.
you
Yes. Yes,
classroom.
please.
Give this folder to submit.
No need to submit. You need to show me in the class only. Okay. Now listen it properly. Again, I will explain to the online students this sheet. Just a minute. I've already explained. Write the question. Multiply without using pen and paper. Write your date, topic, chapter number, and the way it is showing on the screen. Same way you need to write in your notebooks. No untidy work will be accepted. Draw a line, divide the page into two parts. First time you're doing the work, nothing, no worksheet number. It's a just classwork. C.W. It's not your worksheet, it's a classwork. C.W. Write the question, multiply without using pen and paper. Put the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will give you 10 sums. You need to do it till 5p only. Am I clear to everyone now? Okay. Now I am going to the online students. Online students, please listen it carefully. See, draw a line between the pages. Divide the page into two parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sums only. Yes. Okay. Now, online students, please listen. When the number is having zeros, tell me. Done? Sit. When the number is having zeros, how you will multiply mentally without using the long method of multiplication?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, yes, please tell me.
Ma'am, you have to remove the zeros. Like 6 fours are equal to
24.
24. Then we have to add 2 zeros back, like 2400.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, please speak.
ma'am, can I explain?
Yes.
Ma'am, there is 604. So we have to first take out the zeros and we need to multiply 6 with the 4. And the answer will be 24. And then the zeros which we take out, we need to add it on the ones and tens place.
Yes. So, see, as you said that 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. First, we need to multiply the number with the number. So, both the sides, the numbers are 6 and 4. 6 multiplied by... Dhyan Dalal, you don't need to look in anyone's notebook. Do your own work. Otherwise, you're not able to complete within the time period. Which one? 2a. 9 multiplied by 900. I will be on rounds. I'm going to check your work. I'm going to check the presentation of your work. From now onwards, no untidy work will be accepted. You are the now 5th to 6th student asking the same thing. Have you ever done before without writing the question? It is compulsory to write the question also. I will be on round. So 6 fours are 24 and 2 zeros will come in the answer. And what is the answer called in the multiplication, students? Okay. The answer in the multiplication is called product. Start solving.
What we have to do?
What happened? Till 5B. 5B. There are 10 sums.
Okay.
1A, 1B.
5A.
5A, 5B. Till 5B only. 10 sums only. No, till 5B. I will be on round. So students, till that you complete, till that I check their notebooks and let me take the attendance for a minute again. Cut it.
Ma'am, can you show that screen?
Yes, yes, just a minute. Visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Students, they are still doing. We'll give them 2-3 minutes and then we'll start the next.
Ma'am, I can't see 6B. What is the question of 6B?
Nidan, you need to do till 5B only.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Now, students, take out new page of your notebook. Take out new page of your notebook. Huh. The worksheet which I am going to present here, you need to solve that. No need to take the note. The worksheet which I am going to present now, you have to solve these sums by column method. Column method, you all know, you have to expand the number and row wise write the number, write another number column wise, multiply them and add the total. First of all, you children show me the page, this page which you have done. Show me, take your notebooks up and show it to me. Online students.
Why did they not come in the first period?
Kayuri was there in the first period.
But children were there. She said none of them are there.
Students, you all attended the first period?
PBS.
Online students,
Yes,
you all
ma'am.
attended the first period?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, Mohit has done only half.
Just remind them we don't have English class today.
So children, now listen. Next class is your English class. Next to next. Fourth period is your English period.
Yes.
So there is no English period today. Because they are going to for the activity in the dome. So there will be no English period today. Am I clear?
Ma'am, there will be break on English period.
For you all is the break. Free period.
Okay, ma'am.
Show me your books. Take your books up.
Ma'am, see.
Okay. Yes. Mohit, you have done all the sums? Okay, thank you. Now I am going to present my screen and show you the another worksheet which you are going to do with the column method. See, these are the 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication sums.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to solve 5 sums. 1, 2, 3. Please, just a minute. Yes. So students, the worksheet which I am going to present now, you are going to solve it with the column method. 2 sums on 1 page. Column method is the square method only. Columns, you make rows and columns. Do it, don't do with the normal, the way it is showing here. Do it with the column method. Students, am I audible and clear with you what you are going to do
Yes,
in this?
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I do one sum for you on the screen? 68 and 54. Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will do. Wait, I'm going to present it here on the screen. The another page is visible. The
Yes,
another
ma'am.
page is visible to you all on the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
It is here on the screen. 68 multiplied by 54. For this, you have to expand 68. So 68 when you expand will be 60 plus 8. This is split method and the column method, same thing. 60 and 8. You have expanded the 68. Then you need to expand 54. So 54 when you expand will be 50. 50 plus 4. So for this, how many rows and how many columns you need? 2 rows and 2 columns. So when you make a table down, this is not the first time you are learning the column method. First you have expanded the number. Then after expanding, you need to arrange the number here. 60 will go here and the 8 will go here. Yes.
Ma'am, 60 with 50
60 will be here and 8 will be here. Now in this side, what will be row wise? 50 and 4. I will try to write maybe, but not possible. Yes.
Ma'am, the answer will
when
be
you
1772.
So when you write 50 here, the other side, I will write inside the box because I will not able to write outside. Wait a minute. I am writing the 60 here. First is done. Wait. 8 here. And then I will write 50 here and then 4 here. Now in this column, I have to multiply 60 and 50.
50.
So
There
6
will be
fives are
1100.
30 and 1 0 of 60 and 1 0 of 50. Then I multiply 5 with the 8. See, I will write for you also what I have multiplied, then what I got. This way. Now 50 multiply by 8. This you got? This row and this column will multiply. 5 8s are 40 and 1 0 of 50. This way. Let me check. Now you take 60 multiply by 4. So 6 4s are
240.
4 and 1 0 of this. Now in this column you multiply
32.
8 multiply by 4 or 4 multiply by 8. The answer will be same.
32.
32. Huh? I will check the
Ma'am,
answer.
Ma'am, the total
So
answer.
now can you find the total? 3000 plus
672.
from the board. 3000. Either I can write 400 first or 240 first. Ultimately, the answer will come same. 240 and the next is 400 and the next is 32. Can you add all this?
Ma'am, the answer will be 3672.
So answer will be 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Your answer is coming. Let me check.
Ma'am, the answer is coming 3672.
Your columns are not properly drawn with the pencil in the scale. So you have 3000 plus 3440. Okay. What is the answer coming?
3672.
Yes, 3672 is the correct answer. I'm coming on your place. Yes. Neatly. Yes. Now, is it okay now? You all are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Now
Ma'am,
these-
so the second question.
This is the second one now. Please solve this. You have to do 5 sums only. I will do here on the board also for the students. 68 multiplied by 54 it was. So there you need to expand this 68 first, which is 60 plus 8. And you need to expand the 54, which is 50 plus 4. The way you read, the same way you expand. 68. So 60 plus 8, 54. 50 plus 4. Now you can see there are two numbers. So you can make two columns and two rows. Columns are standing and rows are sleeping. So you write 60 here, 8 here, 50 here, and the 4 here. Now in this column, when you write, you have to multiply 50 into 16. 5, 6 is 30, 1 0 of 5 and 1 0 of 6. In this column, when you do, you have to multiply this 50 by 8. 5 is 40, 1 0 of 50 will come. Now 4 multiplied by 60 or 60 multiplied by 4 will give you the same answer. 6 4 is 24 and 1 0 of 16. 4 multiplied by 8, 32. Now your final answer are 3,400, 240 and 32. Add them. I will come on your place. 4 multiplied by 16. And then 240 and then 32. See, after this you can write this or you can write this, but you need to write all the 4 numbers and add them. The answer is 3,672. Any confusion to any child till now? No. To online students, any confusion?
No, ma'am, I'm on third.
Ma'am, we have to start with number 2 now.
No, you have to do first also, second, third and fourth and fifth. 5 sums only. Okay, one by one, if your work is done, bring it. 2 sums are at least done, bring it. Only if 2 students are standing, you need to wait for their turn. Once they go back, then you come. Stand this side if they are looking at the board. Stand this side. Nishika, you go. I'll send it to you. Let me check. It is 6, right?
Yeah.
It's looking like.
Yeah, it was.
Give to him also. Give there. See how neat work is presented, right? It is up to you that how we are presenting our work.
Ma'am, behind I just drawn the box. It's I just put answer here.
Bring your notebooks, at least 2 sums for checking, please.
Five sums completed.
5 sums completed with the column method.
Yes.
Okay. That's it for today. Please just check if any confusion. And tomorrow, learn tables and come. We will do Bela's method, more practice of Bela's method.
Okay, ma'am.
Do neatly.
Ma'am, I was practicing this column method.
Bye,
here.
ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Ma'am, I'm still doing this.
Bye, ma'am.
Those who have done, they only can leave the class. Otherwise, complete your work.
Okay.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
but I have completed. I am leaving.
Huh?
Tomorrow I have practice column method.
Yesterday you have practiced, so you know now. Na? Just check, this is not correct. The total is not. Your page is falling again. You have not stapled till now.
Sorry, ma'am. I've done 4 sums.
These sums I will
Yes,
check
ma'am, it
tomorrow.
will be
Today I am
882
checking.
because you are checking other people's. So I was
882.
I can do it in that fraction of time.
It is 7 sevens are 49.
Sorry.
Late.
Thank you.
You need to complete your time work in time period. Why you have left this page?